Cooking at home can be easier when you have the right tools. In this video, I have listed the best 20 affordable kitchen gadgets you can get on Amazon. These gadgets can help you prepare meals faster and with less effort, so you can enjoy cooking more. They are simple, practical, and budget-friendly. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Magnetic measuring cups and spoons. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, this set resists rust and bending while offering dual-sided cups and spoons for both dry and liquid ingredients. Magnetic nesting makes storage easy, and engraved US/metric markings won't fade. The oval ends fit spice jars, round ends handle liquids, and the leveler ensures precise measurements. Cups feature pour spouts, and all pieces are dishwasher safe, making cooking, baking, and even medicine measuring more accurate and efficient. Butterbell crock. Featuring a two-piece design inspired by the classic French burrier, this crock keeps butter fresh and spreadable for weeks without refrigeration. Made from high-grade new bone china ceramic, it's durable, lead-free, and resistant to scratches. Vibrant glazes suit any decor, while the airtight water seal preserves flavor. Simply add cold water to the base, pack softened butter into the lid, and enjoy perfectly spreadable butter anytime. Ideal for daily use or tabletop serving. Automatic pan stirrer. Designed for hands-free convenience, this automatic stirrer effortlessly mixes soups, sauces, gravies, and more. With 3 speed settings, it moves forward and backward to ensure even stirring. Heat-resistant nylon legs are safe for non-stick cookware and can be removed for cleaning. Simply place it in the pan, press the button, and let it handle the task, saving you time in the kitchen while keeping your dishes evenly blended. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Collapsible colander. Made from premium heat-resistant silicone, this colander offers durability and easy maintenance. Extendable handles fit securely over sinks for hands-free draining, while the collapsible design saves storage space. Ideal for straining pasta, rinsing produce, or draining canned goods, it provides versatility in any kitchen. Sturdy construction prevents deformation, and dishwasher-safe materials ensure hassle-free cleaning, making it a practical, space-saving solution for everyday cooking and food prep tasks. Rotating cooking utensil holder. Standing 7.6 inches tall, this rotating utensil holder stores up to 20 cooking tools, from spatulas to ladles. A smooth, silent 360-degree spin ensures quick access to any utensil, while the weighted wooden base prevents tipping. Perfect for keeping countertops clutter-free, it combines style and functionality. The deep capacity accommodates even long utensils, making it an ideal organizer for busy kitchens that demand both convenience and stability. Silicone baking mat. Made from food-grade silicone reinforced with fiberglass, this double-thickness baking mat, 0.7 millimeters, is durable, non-slip, and resistant to wrinkling. Its non-stick surface makes rolling dough and cleaning effortless, while the anti-slip bottom keeps it steady on countertops. Safe for daily use, it withstands repeated baking without degrading. Ideal for rolling, cutting, or kneading, it keeps ingredients in place and eliminates the need for parchment paper, providing a reusable, eco-friendly baking solution. Spaghetti pasta measure. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel, this pasta measure ensures perfect portions every time. Featuring 4 holes for serving sizes from 1 to 4 people, it helps avoid waste and maintain portion control. With no moving parts, it's durable and dishwasher safe. Ideal for home cooks, chefs, or anyone mindful of serving sizes, it takes the guesswork out of cooking pasta for individuals, couples, or families. Organic food wraps. Reusable beeswax wraps in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, offer an eco-friendly alternative to plastic wrap. Made in the USA from organic cotton, beeswax, plant oils, and tree resin, they're free of synthetic chemicals. Simply warm with your hands to mold and seal around food or containers. Hand-washable and reusable for up to a year, they keep food fresh while supporting zero-waste living. Compostable at end of life for sustainability. Electric wine corkscrew set. This 4-in-1 wine set includes an electric opener, aerator, vacuum stopper, and foil cutter, ideal for wine lovers. The stainless steel opener removes corks in seconds and opens up to 60 bottles on a full charge. The aerator enhances flavor instantly, while the vacuum stopper preserves wine for up to 7 days. Elegant packaging makes it a perfect gift for any occasion, combining style, functionality, and convenience for wine enthusiasts. Magnetic calendar. Featuring a 6-week layout and right-sided date boxes, this magnetic fridge calendar keeps schedules organized. The pet dry erase surface resists staining, while the strong magnet ensures it stays in place. Waterproof and easy to clean, it includes 4 matching markers. Ideal for families, students, and offices, it's perfect for tracking events, appointments, or tasks. Snap a photo of your notes to keep your schedule with you on the go. Adhesive towel hooks. Featuring 304 stainless steel with smooth edges, a matte black finish, and electroplating treatment, these hooks offer durability, waterproofing, and rust resistance. The thick hook design with a small cylinder tip prevents items from slipping, while strong adhesive holds up to 16 pounds securely. Installation is quick, just peel and stick on a clean surface. Perfect for tight spaces like closets or cabinets. They keep essentials organized and within reach without drilling or tools. Vacuum sealer machine. With a powerful 90 kilopascal suction, this compact food sealer keeps food fresh up to 10 times longer. Offering 6 modes: dry, moist, normal, soft, seal, and vac and seal, it adapts to different food types. A durable stainless steel body ensures easy cleaning, and the vacuum tube supports jars and bottles. Measuring 14.9 by 5.7 by 3.5 inches, it's small enough to store yet strong enough for 20 continuous seals, making meal prep and storage efficient and cost-effective. Hamburger grinder. Equipped with 5 wide beveled blades, this nylon meat chopper quickly breaks down meats, vegetables, and more. Safe for non-stick cookware, BPA-free, odorless, and heat-resistant up to 447 degrees Fahrenheit, it's both durable and versatile. Available in multiple colors to match any kitchen, it cleans easily thanks to its non-stick, anti-dirt design. Dishwasher safe and ergonomic, it's an essential tool for evenly cooking ground meat or mixing ingredients without sticking or clumping. Air fryer. Offering 8 cooking functions, this 9-quart appliance lets you air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and more, with dual-zone controls for cooking different foods at once. Even Crisp technology delivers crunchy results with 95% less oil. The intuitive touchscreen guides you through each stage, while VersaZone technology allows either one large basket or 2 smaller ones. Ideal for families, it handles up to 8 servings, all with minimal preheating and easy cleanup. Kitchen shears. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, these all-purpose scissors slice effortlessly through meats, vegetables, herbs, and seafood. A dedicated seafood cutter makes shelling shrimp or crab simple, while sharp blades ensure precision. Designed for both kitchen prep and household use, they reduce meal prep time and handle tasks regular knives can't. Ergonomic handles provide comfort, and their durable build makes them a long-lasting, versatile tool for everyday cooking needs. Chopping board. Made from sleek stainless steel, this cutting surface resists odors, stains, and bacteria, ensuring a hygienic food prep experience. The smooth finish is easy to clean and maintains a modern, professional kitchen look. Sturdy enough for chopping vegetables, slicing meats, or preparing seafood, it offers a safe, durable workspace that won't warp or absorb smells over time. A must-have for anyone seeking both style and function in their cooking tools. Frozen fruit soft serve maker. Transform frozen fruit into creamy, dairy-free desserts in minutes with this easy-to-use appliance. Perfect for vegan, keto, or low-sugar diets, it creates ice cream, sorbets, and parfaits without added fats or preservatives. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple, while included recipes inspire creative flavor combinations. Ideal for single servings or family-sized portions, it's a healthy alternative to store-bought treats that's as fun to use as it is satisfying to eat. Divided serving tray. Featuring multiple compartments, a clear lid, and a carrying handle, this snack tray keeps food organized and portable. Perfect for picnics, parties, or road trips, it stores fruits, nuts, candies, or even charcuterie. The transparent design makes it easy to see contents at a glance, while the lightweight build ensures easy transport. Not microwave or dishwasher safe, it's a convenient, reusable serving solution that adds both style and practicality to gatherings. Bacon grease container. Constructed from food-grade wrought iron with a non-stick coating, this grease holder includes a fine stainless steel mesh strainer to filter out food particles. A lid keeps dust out, while the heat-resistant handle ensures safe handling. Available in 1.3-liter or 1.6-liter capacity, it's ideal for storing cooking oil, broths, or homemade sauces. The anti-slip base prevents spills, making it a practical way to reuse oil while keeping your kitchen tidy. Meat tenderizer tool. Built with a solid one-piece design, this tenderizer combines the force of a mallet with the precision of sharp stainless steel needles. It penetrates meat fibers for faster marinade absorption and even cooking. An ergonomic handle ensures consistent pressure with minimal effort, while its dishwasher-safe build makes cleanup quick. Ideal for beef, pork, or chicken, it delivers professional quality tenderness for juicier, more flavorful meals every time. From prepping ingredients faster to plating meals like a pro, these 20 affordable kitchen gadgets prove you don't need a big budget to cook like a 5-star chef. With the right tools, your everyday cooking can feel effortless, creative, and downright impressive. To get the best deals on all the gadgets mentioned, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow food lovers, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon so you never miss our latest tips, reviews, and kitchen inspiration.